Hi all, let's see inheritance in C Sharp. Inheritance enables you to create new classes that reuse, extend, and modify the behavior defined in other classes. The class whose members are inherited is called as base class, and the class that inherit those members is called as derived class. For example, you can reuse test A class members inside test B class by inheriting test A into test B. By using test B class object, you can access test A class members. Here created a sample console application. Here we are going to calculate circle and circumference area. For both we need radius and pi value. Instead of declaring radius and pi value in each class, here I created a radius class and declared inside that and inheriting that class into circle and circumference class. Here we are using the radius class members into circle and circumference class. So here multiple derived class from single base class. This inheritance is called as hierarchical inheritance. So inside this main function, created object for circle class and calling the method calculate circle, and created object for circumference class and calling the method calculate circumference and passing the radius value. Let's check by running. Here the area of the circle and circumference calculated successfully. Here we are inheriting radius class into circle class. Now the circle class will have all the property and code available in radius class, and in circumference class instead of inheriting radius class we can also inherit circle class, and this makes our circumference class will have all the properties and code available in radius and circle class. So here the circle class inherited into circumference class, then no need to create an object for circle class. We can access the circle properties by using circumference object. Let's check by running. Here our circumference and circle area calculated successfully. So here radius is a base class for circle and circle is a base class for circumference, and circumference or circle are derived class also. This level of inheritance is called as multi-level inheritance. A single derived class inherits from a single base class is called as single inheritance. A derived class inherits from a base class, and the same derived class acts as a base class for another class is called as multi-level inheritance. Multiple derived classes inherit from a single base class is called as hierarchical inheritance. Here, single derived class inherit from a multiple base class. C# doesn't support multiple inheritance. You can achieve it through interface. For example, you cannot inherit test A, test B, multiple classes into test C. Only single base class is allowed to derived class. Hybrid inheritance is a combination of one or more types of inheritance. The combination of multi-level and hierarchical inheritance is an example of hybrid inheritance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.